Can you guys imagine getting in on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat right when they were launched? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you that same opportunity that you guys have at your feet right now today in 2018 with the new feature on Instagram called IGTV. So this is a new feature that everyone is just getting used to. So it's a brand new platform, and what that means is there's a new opportunity for you to jump on board starting now and take advantage of this platform. So if you guys were to go back to 2010 and join Instagram right when they first launched, and you started 20 Instagram accounts and started growing those Instagram accounts, learning how to monetize it, grow it, you would have 20 Instagram accounts with hundreds of thousands of followers. And the reason being is it was a lot easier to grow an account right when it launched because it wasn't as saturated. And yes, right now in 2018, absolutely you can grow an Instagram account, but it's a little bit more difficult just because there are more users and a lot of people are using Instagram. But with IGTV, it's a whole new story. It's a new platform. There's new features, and there are not as many people taking advantage of it. So that is why you guys are going to want to stay throughout this entire video, learn how to use it, how you guys can use it effectively to grow your personal brand, your business, your Instagram accounts, your fan pages, whatever it may be. You're going to want to use IGTV and jump on board and not miss out on this opportunity of a lifetime. So to explain a little bit more about IGTV and get you guys excited about the platform, I'm on the InstagramPress.com blog post where they welcomed IGTV to the entire world on June 20th. So today is June 26th, so that means it has only been out for 6 days. And just imagine being able to get on Twitter when it was released and it had only been out for 6 days. So that's what we're talking about here with IGTV. And this blog post is super awesome, and I'm just going to go over the different features, how to use it, what it is, because you want to get yourself familiar with it and learn how to use it and get ahead of the game so that you guys can be the next IGTV star. So right here, there are 2 announcements on this post, and the first one is Instagram is now a community of over 1 billion users. So that means IGTV now has 1 billion users. So let me explain. IGTV is directly connected to Instagram. So everyone that has an Instagram account now has an IGTV account. So the cool part about that is that doesn't mean 1 billion people are posting on IGTV. That just means there is a potential of 1 billion users to watch the content that you are posting. So if we start posting and we get ahead of the game, we get on the Discover page, the popular page, which I will show you in a minute. If we can get on that right now and get noticed right now when it's only been out for 6 days, we're going to be ahead of the game. And we're going to have 1 billion users that have a potential to watch our content, whether we're a personal brand, it's our business, it's just a fan page that we're trying to grow and we're going to start monetizing it. And also another cool thing is there's no ads on it yet. So Instagram is just trying to grow it. They're basically getting the users on board, and as soon as they do start growing it, they're going to be able to monetize it. There's going to be ads on it, and who knows what those features will be. We just need to be ready for whatever it is, and we want to familiarize ourselves with all the different features. So that is the first big announcement that they made, and the second is basically discussing and talking about what IGTV is. So it's an app. You can actually download it, or you can just update your Instagram app and it's connected. And what it is, it's basically a platform to watch TV, hint IGTV. And the cool thing about it is you can upload videos from 15 seconds all the way up to 60 minutes. And instead of it just being a square video, it's the vertical format. So it's your entire screen is the video. So you don't have to blind yourself by looking super close or turning your phone sideways. You can just watch everything vertical from your phone. So that's basically the purpose of IGTV is you can post longer videos And in my opinion, they're trying to get rid of TV, and they're trying to get people to watch it on their phone, and it's more convenient, it's easier to watch. Another cool thing about IGTV is as soon as you click on IGTV, it starts playing the different channels or the people that you are following. So the people you are following are basically different channels, and you can scroll through the different channels, and just like when you turn on a TV, as soon as you turn it on, it's not paused, it just starts playing immediately. So that's what IGTV is, and they're basically trying to take over the world. And 10 years ago, you would have thought that they're crazy doing this, but now in this generation in 2018, the opportunity is wide open, and there's a need for this different feature. So like I said, you can download the app, or you can update your app, and as soon as you update it, you'll be able to click on this little button up in the top right hand corner, and I will show you how to get started and basically create an account and navigate it. And then also there's a separate app that you can download, and right now it's not necessary that you have this app, but I believe in the future that when they start releasing different features, different ways to monetize it, you're going to need this app. But right now you can access it directly from Instagram, and so that's why I just said there are now 1 billion users on IGTV. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you basically what it is, how it looks like, how to get started, the different content that you're going to want to post. So let's dive into my phone, and I'm going to make it appear right on the left, or it would be on this side, nope, this side. And I'm going to show you basically how it works. So now that you guys can see my Instagram account, I'm going to show you the features and basically the layout of IGTV. So right at the top right hand corner, as you guys can see, you're going to click on the IGTV icon, and as you guys saw, it showed kind of the buffering, and it's like watching TV. If it's loading a channel, it's going to buffer a little bit, but it just starts playing immediately. So like I said, as soon as you turn on the power to a TV, it starts playing the channels, and as soon as you click on the IGTV icon, it's going to start playing the different videos. And if I want to watch the videos, I'm just going to slide this down, and I can watch this video that Bleacher Report posted. And then if I want to slide over and watch the next video of Bleacher Report, I just swipe, and then we got the Game of Zones, and it's going to talk about that, and then I'm just going to keep swiping, and then it goes to the next channel or the next person that I'm following. So we got Barcelona. So then if you just swipe down, it's going to exit out of it, and to get back, you can just hit the icon again. And to show you guys kind of the different features on it, we have the search IGTV. So just like on Instagram, you can search for it, and you can search for the different accounts that you want to follow or that you want to see. And then the For You is basically what Instagram is recommending for you to watch. So it's kind of like the Discover page, where on that Discover page, Instagram is going to show you content that you have viewed before, or content that your followers have viewed, and it's basically going to show you what Instagram thinks that you're going to like. The following is the people that you're following. So I'm following Bleacher Report, Barcelona, Gary V, and you can click on it and see the different videos. Then the popular is basically what's trending, what's popular. So that is the goal to get, is to be on the popular page, because as soon as you're on the popular page, a lot more users are going to be able to see your content and be able to start following you, engage, and lead to future clients, customers, whatever it may be. That's what we're trying to shoot for. And the reason being is right now, it's 6 days old, it's going to be a lot easier to get on the popular page than in 6 months or 2 years, when everyone and their dog is using IGTV. But if we start now and get ahead of the crowd, then it's going to be a lot easier to rank and get our content to more people. And then continue watching is obviously what you were watching, and you can keep watching it. So that's kind of a cool feature. Then right here, my little icon of my profile, it shows my my channel, if you will, and it shows that I have a video posted, and I can click on it and I can watch it, and then I can swipe down, and then if I click on this icon, it takes me back to my Instagram account. And then right here it also shows my IGTV. So it's super cool, it's super easy to navigate, and to post videos you're going to go and hit this plus sign, and as soon as you hit the plus sign you can click on a video that you want to upload and post, and then it's basically like uploading a video. And one thing that you do need to know is you cannot upload a video that is longer than 10 minutes from your phone. So like I said at the very beginning, you can upload a video up to 60 minutes long, but you have to have an account that has more than 10,000 followers. So in order to post a video that's longer than 10 minutes, you actually have to go in onto your computer and upload that video. But if you have a video that is 8 minutes, or like this that's 4 minutes and 50 seconds, you can actually upload it straight from your phone, which is super convenient and super nice if you just want to basically share a little thought or give a little bit of inspiration, some motivation. And so that is one way that you guys can actually use IGTV, is to give motivation, give a thought of the day, provide some value to your followers. Another way that you guys can use it is if you're shooting a YouTube video, or if you're shooting different content, or you're out and about, you can actually kind of do a background scenes of what is going on with your business, and you can basically record and show what is going on in the background, so you kind of give a different perspective from your YouTube channel, for example. So you're just going to find different ways to use it, and again, it has to be vertical video format, and a lot of people have been just cross posting from YouTube straight to IGTV, and it doesn't look very good because it's zoomed in and you don't see all the content. So in the next video that I'm going to be posting, I'm going to show you a few ways to get around that and to avoid basically the zoomed in video that doesn't look very good. So that is one thing that you guys need to understand. And I'm going to jump back to the computer, and I'm going to show you two more things on the desktop. So we're on my account, and I'm gonna make myself a little bit smaller, and right here you can see that there's an option to click on IGTV. So you sign into your Instagram account, you click IGTV, and it will take you to your account, and then you can upload videos. So I'm going to hit upload, and as you can see, it says drag and drop a video file, and it can be from 15 seconds to 60 minutes long. So since I have more than 10,000 followers, I can post a video that is longer than 60 minutes. Then you can make it visible on Facebook, which I would highly recommend, so that you can promote it on your Facebook page as well. You can cross promote, and obviously they're going to make it easy to do because Facebook owns Instagram. And now to show you another Instagram account of mine that has less than 10,000 followers, I'm going to click on IGTV, and then I'm going to hit upload video, and it says videos must be vertical and between 15 seconds and 60 minutes long. So you may think, oh, I can post a video that's longer than 60 minutes. I'm going to click on this, and then it says between 15 seconds and 10 minutes. So that's kind of the difference between having an Instagram account that has more than 10,000 followers and not. But that doesn't matter if you have an Instagram account that doesn't have 10,000 followers. 10 minutes is still a long video that you guys can provide value. And that's another thing that you're going to want to do, is as your first 2 seconds in your video, first 2-3 seconds, you're going to want to engage your audience, because it starts playing immediately, and if you do something that's engaging, that's enticing, they're going to want to continue to watch. And if you can get someone to watch a 5-minute video or 6-minute video, the entire video, you accomplished a lot. So please don't get down if you don't have more than 10,000 Instagram followers. This is for everyone, and I want everyone to take advantage of this opportunity and start uploading content, give value to your followers, get creative, do something different, think outside the box. If you do what everyone does, you're going to get the same results as everyone else. So be different, be you, be unique, and have fun with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, leave a comment down below. Also leave a like, thumbs up, And also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I talk a lot about Instagram. Now I'm going to be talking about IGTV. I talk about how to grow a successful Amazon FBA business. So if you guys are interested in making money online, go down and subscribe. I also have 2 Facebook groups that are free that you guys can join. The links will be in the description below. But for now, jump on IGTV, start getting familiar with the platform, and learn as much as you can so that you guys can get ahead of the crowd. So thank you guys for watching, and we will see you in the next video.